Pilates has emerged as one of the most form of exercise to that hourly figure and maintain fitness. There are many exercise centers and studios that are completely dedicated to Pilates and have an outstanding record. It is one of the exercise forms that blends strength, flexibility and endurance and was first designed and nurtured by Joseph Pilates way back in the 19th century. Before we get started, if like to discover how a young mum developed a two-step hack and dominated her fight against weight loss, click the link in the description. One can learn this form of exercise at dedicated centers, ready-made tailored DVDs or by hiring own personal exercise. In recent times almost every fitness center has experts on it so that it can be combined with yoga, aerobics and various other forms of exercise. Done in the right manner, the use of Pilates can give you lean and strong body. There are many things that need to be known about this exercise. Firstly, it is not just a physical exercise and involves a lot of mental coordination. As conceptualized by Mr. Joseph, it involves control, breathing, flowing movements and concentration. At the initial stage, simple DVDs can be a lot of help. However, if you intend to master the art, you need to visit a training center or studio. It is one of those exercise systems which are not dependent on machines. All you need is a Pilates mat and some training to start off. After you have gained some muscle strength, your trainer may ask you to do some exercises on the machines that will further help you gather more insight on this wonderful exercise. The entire schedule of your exercise can be divided into major portions. This can be your upper body, lower body and abdomen. It can help get those washboard flat abs you have been trying for centuries. To add to its plus points, only an hour of exercise can be enough rather than spending hours at the gym. As discussed above, it requires a lot of mental effort to get the right postures in Pilates. You can start it with some meditation under supervision. There are diets that are specifically designed for students of this laborious exercise. Also, there has to be control on the breathing as it is one of the most important part of Pilates. There may be muscle pain like in case of many exercises, and that should not let you discontinue the exercise. The pain will usually go as soon as your muscles gain strength and the body gets used to the pain. There are not too many things to buy before hitting the center or hiring a trainer. The basic requirement is a mat that's specially designed and has soft half-inch padding. The mat is different from yoga mats as the latter required ground support more. Mats can be easily purchased through online and local retail shops. As for other machines, it is advised to buy them only after consulting your instructor. Pilates can be a good way to regain your lost confidence and well-shaped body at a very low cost. Check out at your nearest gym today or start by buying a DVD. Don't forget to check out the story of how a mother shares secret hack on how she lost 84 pounds in 2 weeks. Link in the description.